How to fix character AI can't log in or sign up. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how you can fix that issue of you not being able to log in or sign up into the character AI application. So let's go on with the process on how you can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So if you're wondering how you can fix that issue of you not being able to log in into the character AI app, these are the steps you may follow. One of the very step is you may just make sure you have a good internet connection, because that may be one of the reasons why you are not able to log in smoothly into the character AI app. So if you don't have a good internet connection, just switch up to an internet connection that is faster and reliable to you. After that is done, you will just click on the app and long press on it and go to the info section. After that is done, just head over to the storage section of that app, and after going to the storage section, just clear the cache of the app and clear the data also if necessary, and reset everything of the application. After that is done, even if that doesn't work, maybe you have an updated app, so just head over to the Play Store application. After that, go to the search bar and search for character AI here, and after that look for updates. If any kind of update is available, just update the application. The next thing is you may just restart your device, and one of the methods should probably work for you and fix that issue of not being able to log in or sign up into the character AI. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.